Welcome back to Think Turkey, everyone. This is Moaz Haq, and in today's video we are looking at an update of our construction project. Now it has been a while, so you will see quite a bit of progress in this video. I'm going to take you back where we left off a few months ago at this point where we were doing the foundation footers, and then the formwork was being taken off right now. It did rain a little bit, so you're seeing that. So stay along with us for this video and you're going to see an entire great journey happen. Let's get it. Okay, so here is the site right here. As you can see, the form work has now started here. Let me just show you around. Here we are. Let's take you around the site. So if you remember, we were pouring concrete last time for this first foundation layer. As you can see, that layer has been poured, and from here you can see what it looks like from inside. Now there is a metal piece hanging out from here. What is that, you might be wondering. Now this is basically the grounding wire. This grounds the electric to the earth, so that's why they have taken that out here. So let me now walk you around to this side. Look how beautiful that looks. Very clean formwork, you know, nice straight lines. Inside too, you could see. All right, look at that. Okay, so now the next step is basically to fill out that with soil. So those empty parts are not filled up with concrete. The footings go in, and then that's basically what's holding that foundation down. And then in the middle, the space that's there, you fill that up with soil. Then on top goes another layer of concrete. So let's take a look at that. Alright, so now that's filled up, and now you're looking at flat ground there. Basically it's a flat surface, which will now get some concrete on top of this as well with a little bit of rebar, which gives us the ground floor. So we can see the columns are now erected up, and the progress is looking quite nice. Well, the columns are still not fully up, but that's where these are gonna go basically. As you can see, the floor is looking beautiful. Very nice job, flat, smooth job. Let's see here. They've set this up. That's where the columns are going to go in, and will be raised up to another floor. Okay, so now we've got the formwork done for the next floor that's gonna go on top. Not fully, basically the columns are done now. Then the next part I'm gonna show you. Let's just go ahead and see this far. So now here they are now carrying up those for that base floor. Okay, so this is now the top floor, which is done. Even the formwork for the roof floor itself is ready as well for the pillars. And then now I'm just gonna show you around how it looks here on the ground floor as well. And basically that's it, guys, for this part. We have just reached to this stage in this part, and in the next part you will see more progress that I'm going to be uploading soon. It's still in the editing mode, so I promise you I will be releasing that very soon. So again, remember to subscribe, follow for more details on this project. And again, if you are looking to build your own dream home in Turkey, then please get in touch for details. All right, then, hope to see you next time.